Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2017 Harley-Davidson Street Glide with 44,042 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, TPMS, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, navigation, intercom, CB radio. It's been upgraded with 14-inch handlebars, Vance & Hines Power Duals full exhaust system, aftermarket passenger foot pegs, and headlight trim. The Street Glide's hot rod style is amplified on the CVO variant with chrome accents and a striking paint set, adding artistic qualities to its imposing attitude. Boasting a boomed 4-speaker audio system, the Street Glide is tastefully rowdy and built for long days of riding in style. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Street Glide puts 102 horsepower and 121 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 837 pounds and has a 27.2-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.